went very well. It is very nice. I think the team has organized it very well. The crowd is very good. I think they have put a lot of efforts. I think we should appreciate it.
Namaste. I'm Avni from grade 8 Jain Heritage School. Naada Habba is a cultural and engaging performances. I'm thankful to Jain Heritage for providing me the opportunity to not only witness such breathtaking performances but also be a part of it. It was a wonderful set of acts where I enjoyed the most. I gave a performance on singing and I think it was one of the best experiences I've ever had. Thank you.
This was my first time attending Naada Habba. I think it's one of a kind event. How it's not only engaging the students and the parents of the students, but also the communities that come together. I think that gives a very strong and loud message that how togetherness is important and celebrating diversity around us is very important. I think that's the biggest takeaway. We should not be taking things for granted. Appreciate what's around us, and that's the biggest message. I think it's a very nice idea, and I'm sure most of your students are from in and around this area. So definitely it makes a big buzzword, and like it, especially this apartment competition that you had. I don't know whether it's every year thing or this is the first time you're running like that. That's a really good thing, spreading the word around that. And we are very happy with the school. My granddaughter is here in nursery. We have come here earlier for the grandparents' day. We had an opportunity today because our parents are out of station, and we enjoyed. The best part was she enjoyed the most.
Yeah, we attended for the first time, and yeah, really we have enjoyed a lot. Yeah, we have attended for the first time. Yeah, it was very nice. We enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, this is the first.
Yes. Here.
Yeah, it was all great overall.
Yes.
We had lots of fun.
Yeah. Kids has done really well. Yeah, they have performed really well. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is our third Naada Habba, and I've seen school improving. The venue is amazing. The multi-utility hall, right? If I'm not wrong, it's quite good. And the culture, the dance, the performances, the lighting, the sound, everything is perfect. I wish all the best to the school. Let's keep up the good work. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Anita Shivakumar, the principal of Great Vision Academy. I am very happy to be a part of this program. The Jain Heritage did very well. The program was well and good. Thank you.